but it's going to do a little bit easier, okay? So for those people who aren't, who probably aren't that agile, okay? You have to follow Fareed right here, okay? He's going to do an easier version, yeah? So put your things inside your pockets or whatever. So we're going to start moving first, okay? First thing we're going to jog on the spot, okay? For people who are pretty fit, okay? Put your hands like this. I want you to jog like this. Okay, and those who aren't fit, right, okay, or don't want to move as much, okay, you just follow just step. One foot up like that, one at a time.
Is your leg going to your hand?
If you feel like you can do it, right, you have to go all the way, just like that. Good, excellent. So we're going to do this for a few more seconds here, okay. Next thing we're going to do jumping jacks, okay. The jumping jacks is this way here, okay. But if you want to do it easier, right, you can follow Fareed. Just step out like this, but put your arms up. Make sure your arms go all the way up. And switch legs as well.
Yeah, so you can switch legs. So go up, yeah.
Good, there you go. Okay. Yeah, so move when you can.
Nice work.
Go as hard as you can comfortably. If you need more space, there's more space in the front of here.
You boys, you get some real jumping
Good.
jacks in. You're
Yeah,
still
man.
in the 30s. I know you're 80s. Let's go,
Okay.
let's go,
So
let's
I'm going to say now, and every
Good
time
job,
I say
Mr.
now,
Mock. Good job over
okay,
there.
if you're doing jumping jacks, you're going to touch the floor like this. Like this. Now, like this. Okay? And now, like this. Okay? But if you're doing the easier version, you touch your nose. Okay? Okay? Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
When you say down, the one that is able to do down, you go down. So those of you who can bend, you just touch our nose.
Yeah, ready? Okay? Keep going, keep going. And now.
Yeah.
Okay. If you can't, you just touch your nose, yeah? Now. Look.
Back over and keep doing the jumping jacks.
Now.
Keep jumping. You gotta keep jumping now.
Okay, good, good. Okay, now that we're all warmed up, we're going to split into half. We're going to do Dr. Josh and Fareed will be on that side there. So maybe all of you guys.
Carry these weights.
Yep.
Yeah, go bring all the way over there.